Our drag and drop email builder features a video component, which lets you quickly add a customizable link to a hosted video within your email. Let's take a look. Select Messages from the sidebar and double-click on an existing email to open it for editing. You can also create a new email if you prefer. Once the email editor opens, drag in a video component from the Components panel at the side. In the Video Details panel to the right, paste in the link to your video. If your video is hosted on a number of popular video platforms, a thumbnail will be automatically generated for you, but you can also use the options provided to add your own thumbnail image if you prefer. You can also set the play button style, color, and opacity as shown. And finally, you can add alt text for the thumbnail image, as well as a video description. Vision-impaired users or users with screen reader software will use the alt text. The video component in your email design will now update with these changes. You can then preview, test, and send your email when ready. Video is a great way to increase email engagement and lower the cost per lead. We look forward to seeing what you create.